Apparently, steers view wooden projects as a personal challenge. I have caught them standing in the feeder, and they have managed to flip it over several times. Steers are basically 600-pound dumb dogs. They can be pretty destructive, not malicious, just steers. So after 2 years of repairs, the wooden hay feeder had to go. I originally built this feeder from wood and two 55-gallon plastic barrels cut in half. And honestly, it worked pretty good for a while. But eventually the steers started standing in it, flipping it over, and proving once again that the only reason we put up with cattle is because they taste so good barbecued. Every season meant another repair, another broken board, or another steer standing where he absolutely should not be standing. So this time we upgraded to steel. Sadly, no dentist ranch welding was needed, but no reason to reinvent the wheel. I mean hay ring. And sometimes the smartest thing you can do is thank your local ranch supply store. Simple, bolt together hay ring, stronger, heavier, and hopefully a little more steer proof. Although around here, nothing is completely steer proof. Version 1 looked good on paper, but steers are rough on absolutely everything. Sometimes version 1 teaches you that version 2 needs to be a lot stronger and heavier. Even a steel hay ring isn't all that heavy if you're a 750-pound steer. And remember, they run in gangs. So I strapped three 55-gallon drums together, filled them about 2/3 full of water, and used them as ballast. As a bonus, they make a perfect little table for my mini round bales. I can set the bale up there, cut the twine off, and push the hay right off into the feeder. Sometimes the correct engineering solution is made of steel, 3 water barrels, and a work table. At 64, not having to lift things twice or work on the ground, that's not being lazy. That's just working smarter, not harder. Anything worth doing is worth doing well, even if the steers make you rethink your choices. Thank you for joining me at Whitney Plaza Garage, Gums and Gumption. Oh, and one more thing. Did you hear they're trying to outlaw round hay bales? Apparently the cows can't get a square meal.